Jesus is better than frankincense. Did you know that in Old Testament times, frankincense was worth more than gold? This precious resin came from dangerous trade routes in Arabia and Somalia. Only the purest frankincense could burn on God's golden altar, and the recipe for holy incense was so sacred that sharing it meant death. The sweet smoke was supposed to carry prayers to heaven, but here's the problem. Most people couldn't afford it. It was expensive, external, and temporary. You had to keep buying more. Only priests could offer it, and it never changed your heart. Smith Wigglesworth understood something powerful about prayer. He knew that Jesus became our eternal fragrant offering. When Jesus died on the cross, he didn't just make one sacrifice. He became our permanent way to reach God. Frankincense made prayers smell sweet to God for a moment, but Jesus makes our prayers acceptable to God forever. You don't need expensive incense. You don't need a priest. Jesus is your direct line to the Father, and his sacrifice never runs out.